Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Gus from GusDigitalSolutions. So yeah, if you don't know me by now, follow the channel. I create content and just show different things to help people out. So yeah, please like and subscribe if you like the video. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna go over. I just did some research. I always try to learn new things and pass it on. So supposedly this is a good AI, all-in-one AI video maker. We're gonna go ahead and see how it does. It's free. The I think you get 3 videos per month. Don't know. It has like you know voice cloning and other things on the paid version. Now let's see. Let's go in here and take a look.
Yeah, hey Gus, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hola Gus, tu Digital Twin está listo. Intenta crear videos con él. Además, haz clic en el botón de comentarios para compartir lo que piensas. Espero que lo disfrutes.
こんにちは、ゴさん。あなたのディジタルツインが準備できました。ビデオ作成を示してみてください。また、フィードバックボタンをクリックして感想を共有してくださいね。楽しんでいただけると嬉しいです。
Wow. Okay, so it just did it in like I don't know a couple of languages. Definitely I'll leave a link in the bio. I mean the video description. Let's see if we can make a video with this. And then I'll link the video after this in the video as well. So let's go in here. This is where I work on my script. Okay. Okay. Let's get started. I'm gonna just wing it. This is pretty cool stuff here. So we got a script writer, motion designer. That's so cool. Image generator, video generator. Okay, so wow, this is cool. It has music too. Nice. Pretty cool. Let's see if we could create a short with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Perplexity, and if you don't know that by now, that's this browser here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say I am using HeyGen, and it is. I always just let it know the date. For whatever reason, depending on like the data model stuff like that, you gotta let it know the date. So yeah, I am using HeyGen, and this is the date. What can I'm gonna say, can you give me a script for it? And I'm gonna say do it for tech. My YouTube channel is Gus Digital Solutions. Okay, just gonna copy this here. Okay, so we'll do like a 15-second clip. We'll do YouTube, do professional and polished. Okay. So yeah, let's see. This is gonna be interesting. Just to watch this in play. Okay. I like spreading positivity on social media, so that's what you're seeing there. Now, let's see what happens. So we have my YouTube here. It's March 10th. Okay. All right. Well, let's take a look. So we're gonna make a short one, and I'm just gonna put, for whatever reason, it came out a little weird. Let's see what we could do. What did it do, right?
HeyGen script, Gus Digital Solutions, March 10th.
Oh, it's actually doing the whole thing, which is crazy. So let's go back to we're gonna go to HeyGen again. I mean Perplexity here, and we're gonna say give me the entire script to copy. and paste. Yeah, this is crazy. Technology nowadays, I just spread awareness about technology and stuff like that. And I'm excited this coming week what to show you guys. What's gonna, we're gonna have good, cool content coming up. So, all right, yeah. So please like and subscribe. And I just put up like two games as well that I did. It was pretty bad, but and I did like a country song. It's pretty bad. But it is what it is, you know what I mean? Let's see, I'm just trying to find like a good song. That's cool. I just copied and pasted the script and it already changed it.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Gus Digital Solutions. It's March 10th, 2026, and today I want to share some game.
That's awesome. That's great. It sounds amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the video. I'm gonna upload this video too. That one sounds. Try to see which one to put here. It has to be like that's the only thing. I don't really like the music, I guess. The music's not that good. CapCut's the best for music. I forget if I uploaded CapCut yet. I mean, this is tough. It's just there's just like nothing winning here. We'll just put this one for whatever reason. Like, okay, we'll take it. All right, take it. Generate. I don't even know if that does that add the music. What else we got? We got AI tools here, video generator. Oh, that's the premium. Okay. Then we got my avatar. That yeah, this is really cool. Like, wow. So this is cool. It has like the text and stuff. And I'll say this is actually really good. So please like and subscribe. I'll put a little smiley face there. And we don't need anything. But we can put I appreciate the love. Let's see. Say I appreciate the love. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So let's go to music. I don't even know if that one song that was okay. It was mediocre. I don't know if it. I guess it added it. I don't know. It doesn't let me, you know, add it properly or whatever. But either way, we got to see how this comes out. Okay, so we got the captions. I wonder if this stays up there the whole time. I'll put it like right there, so that way it's out of the way. But let's do. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I'll put this one. This one. All right, I think that's good enough. It has a lot of stuff already. So yeah, we're gonna generate this, and I'm gonna go ahead and upload this. So I'm excited to show you. This I think it's gonna be pretty good. It was doing it in Spanish and stuff, which is crazy. You could do up 3 videos for free. So, if you want to try it out, you know, and hey, if this liked if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It did a different one. I have to double check to see if it's good enough for upload or not. I'll put this one up and then I'll link the videos and stuff. So, all right, though, thank you guys, and yeah, please like and subscribe if you like the content. I got a lot of interesting things that are coming up soon that you guys are gonna love. So, thank you so much. Have a good one.